guys, sa sobrang pagmamahal niya sa akin, pumunta talaga siya sa name ko. Oh, ang ganda ng bahay, oh, Violet. Hi! Oh, diba? Ayan, oh, hi! Hi! Say hi, baby! Hi! Tignan mo ate mo, loka, oh. Hi! Ah! Ang ganda dito, no?
Kasi maganda ka.
Oo, maganda tayo. Oh, look at the dog. It's very big. Tena na, baka niya na si mami.
No!
Dali na, baka niya na si mami.
No!
Happy birthday, baby.
Happy birthday.
Ah! Happy birthday, baby.
Happy birthday.
Nye.
Ikaw yung baby.
Happy birthday, baby.
Thank you.
Ay. Happy birthday, baby. Ah,
Ayu.
smiling place.
Ayu
Smiling place. Smiling place. Dali na,
Garden
let's go.
Heights, Dilis,
Let's go now. Maybe your mommy is there. Bye-bye, doggy. Tapos sinabol tayo nakagat, no? Uy, maanuhin na, nakagat daw yan. Bye-bye, doggy. Let's go. Ay, ikaw na. Today is your birthday. Tomorrow is not.
Yes, but
Happy birthday, baby. Happy birthday, my pretty. You're only 11, but you look dalaga na.
yes, I look like 17.
You have to be very good. You have to. Ay, ito, maganda to. Ano? Ang ganda, no?
Saan?
Ang ganda dito. Ay, ang ganda nga. Bata, ha? Baka tayo pa ano-ano eh.
Pakipost mo
This
yan
is-
sa ano.
This is sa YouTube. This is a nice
What?
place, right? Look at the trees. It's very tall.
Why are you Englishing?
Like this girl. It's very tall. Happy birthday, baby. Today's your birthday. Hoy, wag! No. Hey! Wag, baka masaktan ba ang bata? Okay, model tadi. Tung. Model. Wow. Oh, model. Wow. Oo. Model. Wow. Wow. Ay. Slow. Oh. Happy birthday, baby. Oh, yun ang bahay ng ninong mo. Oh, careful. This is my name. Sino yun? Happy birthday, baby. Ayan. Diyan na tayo sa Daiti compound. Our place. Happy birthday, baby.